Hey guys, we have an awesome battle here that's ready already. At 7:12 p.m. We're battling for Andrew's bagged blue snag. If I can get to the top here. Oh, went right by him. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? And it's Star Wars Sea baggy. I got 150 spots. It's filled without a mini. That's awesome. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random here to find our winner. Paste them in there. We got all 150, which is neat. I am going to roll the bones here in just a moment to see how many rounds we're going to play. Got to get a 5 or better. We got a 7. We are rolling. Let's do it. Good luck, folks. Happy Saturdays. Brian Full takes round 1. And round 2. Eric takes round 3. Christian 4. Scott takes round 5. And round 6. Hey. Bringing us to our final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Eric Rand. Hit at number 37. Congratulations, Eric. Here's the verification code. And our official results. Once I get to the bottom of this beastly list. QRMSQX. There it is. I'm done. It's 7:14. As you can see here. Again, here's the official results. Eric in at number 37. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.